Doing some headlights on a Escape Mountaineer. D, what are you doing? Recovering from...
I got into a fight.
He got in a fight with a supercharger belt tensioner.
With this right here. This is where I got into a fight with.
That's gonna leave a mark. I got a little less challenge. Headlights on one of these 05 Escape Mountaineer. They're the same either way. So I already put the new ones in, but I'm gonna show you exactly real quick because there ain't much to it. Luckily, even though you gotta take the whole bumper off, there's not much to it. So of course I got a lift and you might have to do it on your back, but either way it's still not too bad. So I got a bunch of these push pin clips. You can grab these with a diagonal pliers, pull them out. 1, 2, 3 there. There was another one there. You can pull that back. Then back here you'll see it's from underneath. There's 2 bolts that go into the bottom of this. And then I think one of them was broken, so only had one to attach in the center. And these tabs, this car's probably been apart because 2 of the tabs were broken, and these had 2 10 millimeters. Had another 10 millimeter bolt in here, 3 more of these plugs. And then you got to get this out of the way because right there, it's supposed to be 10 millimeters, but on this car, one was an 8 and one was a 10. And so I needed to get all that stuff out of the way. Get up in behind here with an extension, line extension, and an 8 on one side and a 10 on the other. Got to get that corner bolt out. Otherwise, you're kind of out of luck. So then as far as the top's concerned, there's like literally nothing. There's 2 bolts holding it on up top. Probably gonna drop it because I'm doing it myself while holding the camera. But I got 1 bolt. This is on the reinstallation. I'm gonna hang it from the top so I can attach all those bolts I just showed you from the bottom separately. This whole thing just comes off. Of course, I had to tug on it harder originally. And then the last, you want to unplug these from the fog lights before you do that, because I forgot. And they were hanging on that. Luckily, I did not break them. You got 1. This way. There goes that. You got 2, 3, and 4 on both sides. Just unbolt those, slide it out, plug your bulbs back in, and then, like I said, putting it together, hang it from these 2 bolts up top so you can reattach everything on a walk around. Not too bad.